Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of modern main gate design for house ideas and ultimate guide to choose right exterior gate for your home. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A modern main gate is a great way to make a statement about your home style and security. It can also add curb appeal and value to your property. But with so many different types of modern gate designs to choose from, it can be hard to know where to start. That's where I come in. In this guide, I will discuss everything you need to know about modern main gate design, including the meaning of modern main gate design, the different types of house main gates, the ideal size of a house main gate, the most popular house gate colors, the best material for house main gates, 10 best modern main gate design ideas, and I will also share some tips for choosing the right modern gate design for your home. So whether you're just starting to plan your new gate or you're ready to make a purchase, this guide has everything you need to know. What is modern main gate design? Modern main gate design is a style of gate that is characterized by its clean lines, geometric shapes, and minimal ornamentation. It is a popular choice for homes with a contemporary or minimalist aesthetic. Modern main gates can be made from a variety of materials, including metal, wood, and wrought iron. They can also be either manually operated or automated. The different types of house main gates? There are many different types of house main gates to choose from. Here are a few of the most popular options. Sliding gates. Sliding gates are a good choice for homes with limited space. They slide open and closed along a track, making them easy to operate. Swing gates. Swing gates are a traditional type of gate that swings open and closed on hinges. They are a good choice for homes with a large driveway or front yard. Lift gates. Lift gates are a type of gate that lifts up and down. They are a good choice for homes with a steep driveway or front yard. Automated gates. Automated gates are a good choice for homes that need a secure entrance. They can be opened and closed remotely using a keypad or remote control. The ideal size of a house main gate? The ideal size of a house main gate will vary depending on the size of your driveway and front yard. However, as a general rule of thumb, the gate should be at least as wide as your driveway and at least 6 feet tall. The most popular house gate colors? The most popular house gate colors are black, white, and gray. These colors are classic and timeless, and they will complement most home styles. However, you can also choose a gate in a more bold or colorful color, if you prefer. The best material for house main gates? The best material for a house main gate will depend on your budget, the style of your home, and the climate in your area. Here are a few of the most popular materials for house main gates. 1. Metal. Metal gates are durable and low maintenance. They are a good choice for homes in cold climates. 2. Wood. Wood gates are beautiful and can add warmth to your home's exterior. However, they require more maintenance than metal gates. 3. Wrought iron. Wrought iron gates are elegant and can add a touch of luxury to your home. They are also very durable. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best modern main gate design ideas. 1. A sliding gate with a geometric pattern. 2. A swing gate with a minimalist design. 3. A lift gate with a curved design. 4. An automated gate with a security camera. 5. A gate made from black metal with a laser cut design. 6. A gate made from wood with a stained finish. 7. A gate made from wrought iron with a decorative scrollwork design. 8. A gate with a mixture of metal and wood. 9. A gate with a living wall. 10. A gate with a glass insert. These are just a few of the many great modern main gate design ideas available. When choosing a gate for your home, it is important to consider the style of your home, your budget, and your needs for security and privacy. And here are a few tips for choosing the right modern main gate design for your home. 1. Consider the style of your home. The gate should complement the style of your home, not clash with it. 2. Set a budget. Modern gates can range in price from a few $100s to several $1,000s. It is important to set a budget before you start shopping. 3. Think about your needs for security and privacy. If you need a high level of security, you may want to consider an automated gate with a security camera. If you need more privacy, you may want to choose a gate with a solid wood or metal frame. 4. Get quotes from multiple vendors. It is important to get quotes from multiple vendors before you make a purchase. This will help you get the best possible price. A modern main gate is a great way to add security, privacy, and curb appeal to your home. With so many different design options available, you can choose a gate that perfectly suits your needs and style. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of modern main gate design for house ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.